How to add Google reviews to Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to Squarespace, to your website on Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in this video we're going to use not just Squarespace but also elfsite.com. So you're going to be able to find Squarespace and Elfsite sign up links and website links in the description of this video. So first of all, you must have your account here in Squarespace, and I'm going to open my website. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to see it because my free trial here has been expired. Okay, but I can. Yeah, I have no trouble here. And also create an account here in Elfsite. So here in Elfsite, in the left menu, we are going into Catalog, Home, and there's a bunch of apps, but by now I'm gonna use Google Reviews. So these are like widgets. The idea is to have my Google Reviews here into my website, but there are different layouts that you can select in order to show the reviews. I like this, for instance, so I'm going to click to continue with this template. The name of your business name and address, so it must be a real business. Here the example is either you use Google Place ID from Google My Business or find your place my business name and address. So I'm gonna add this one. So remember, you must add the entire name of your business and even the direction. Once you have set in this, you must click on publish. And by now I'm going just to select the light program in order to show you this tutorial. So this is gonna give you a script, a code that you must copy with this button, copy code, and then go back into your web page in Squarespace. So, okay, sorry, I had to change my website because my free trial expired. But in your website, you must select the page that you want to have your Google reviews. Let's suppose I want to have this into my home page. Click on edit. And this, in addition, let's suppose I want to make something here. So I'm going to edit section. This is going to be a blank section. Okay, just this. So I'm going to add a block. And this block is going to be a code. So what I must do here is get into it, delete it, and paste the code I received from my Google reviews, and that's it. By now I don't have any reviews, but if you have some, there is going to be reviews on your website. I recommend you to go into the preview in the save mode in order to check if everything is right. And that's it. That's how you can add Google reviews to Squarespace. Thanks for watching.